excited. You're going to be my first client. Well, not my first client. We do practice on each other in class, but anybody outside of class, I haven't practiced on yet. So.
Okay. I'm going to show you this picture. This is what I'm looking for.
I only have 1 week of training left, and then I have my certification. I'm so excited. I'm going to quit that call center no more. After calling me, they be like, come on out. Come on out. Don't you get sick of it? That's going to be cute.
I know.
That is going to be real cute.
It's Black History Month, you know.
Yes. We're going to hook you up. Okay. Yeah, look right there. Well, pick a color.
I want those colors.
Oh, just like the picture.
Just like the picture, yeah.
Exactly. Gotcha.
Okay. I don't need to soak my nails in there. You got it?
I got it.
Okay. You sure? You need some help now?
I don't know why it's doing it. Brand new.
Oh, okay,
Brand new at the pack.
So what makes you want to go on the nails?
Got tired of the call center. They be calling me, talking about waive a late fee. I don't want to waive a late fee.
You know, I never noticed your accent before. Where are you from?
Girl, that accent come and goes. I don't know where
Oh, wow. Okay. Well,
you know what I'm saying to me, like an oxtails when I be on the lunch. Oh, Keisha, you sit down right there. Oh, she next.
Okay. Oh.
You got a boyfriend, honey?
Yeah.
Oh, he gonna love you. He gonna love you. Why you didn't get red nails? Men like red nails.
Well, you know, I want
Black
the picture.
history. Black history.
That was okay.
Shrimp. Oh, nothing, honey.
Okay.
Shrimp kebabs.
Are you hungry?
Girl, yes, I'm hungry. Woo. I love you, Jenny. Why don't you love me?
Ma'am, are you talking to me or are you talking to yourself?
Oh, I'm reciting my poems. I got class tonight. I'm poetry as well.
Oh, okay.
Now you gonna make a nail sparkle like a diamond, honey.
Okay.
Sparkle it to the high. He gonna say, honey, you're so beautiful. Come here, honey. He gonna say, me love you, girl. Me love you when you get your nails done. Me love you. Cause you gonna be so beautiful, honey. No, habla inglés.
You Spanish now?
Oh, girl, it comes and goes. I don't know.
You have a mixed family?
I do. I have a little Creole, I'm Hispanic, Chinese. Oh, that's a melting pot.
Okay. And how long you been doing nails again?
Go wash your hands.
Go wash. Okay. Go wash your hands.
Go wash your hands. Don't look at me like that, homie. It'll make you fine for your boyfriend. We're close to Valentine's Day. Black power.
Okay. Is that gonna come out the right color?
Yeah, this is the bottom part.
Is my nail moving?
Don't worry, honey. I'll fix it for you.
Okay.
It's gonna go when we go under the light. It only takes 20 more minutes, okay? I gotta draw her nail and I gotta do design. You grab a Pepsi. Get a Pepsi. You get a Pepsi.
You like Oprah?
Who?
Never mind.
It's still wet.
Okay, I just never.
When I put it, this is new technology. When I put it under the light, it's gonna glow. What am I asking?
I mean, how you brushing? I just never seen a technique like this before.
This is new. We learned it in class. They say it'll make it last longer. It lasts 2 month nails.
2 months?
2 month nails.
Okay.
2 month nails.
Too much nails or
Two month. M-O-N-T-8 2 month nails.
Okay.
2 month nails.
I'm sorry, you know, the accent, I wasn't able to understand.
I know. I don't know why you can't understand it.
Okay. I'm sorry. Okay.
Oh, that's my camera nail come out. Next nail.
Next nail. Well, you know, it's not quite big enough for my thumb, so we're gonna have to do those
Do
next.
them like this.
Okay.
Put two thumbs.
Sure.
That upgrade.
Right now, I don't like it.
Okay, $15. We'll do 15 for you.
15 for me? Because you learning.
Because you're a black woman, phenomenally.
Oh, well, thank you, my black sister. The swirl.
Simba.
Is that Simba?
And that's your tree.
Ma'am. Are you sure?
I'm not finished yet.
Okay. What is that?
That's tree. You don't know tree when you see it, man.
Not that kind of tree.
You know what I'm saying? They're going to be chasing the clout with this. You know what I'm saying? Oh, the wrong accent. You're going to be cute, girl, and put it to the sky. Mm-hmm.
Ma'am.
But your nail is not finished.
No. Ma'am, this is nothing like I asked for.
It's like the picture I told you. You just want to get out the paying. No, you pay me. It is just like the picture.
Right here.
See, your tree. It look just like it.
No blue. Blue. Orange, not that. That, what is that? Just take them off. No. Last week, baby, give it up.
I work hard.
You have a good day.
I work so hard on that shit. So
No.
disrespectful American woman.